How to upload image in your Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can add any image in your Claude Code CLI. So let us start by first launching our Claude Code on our Windows PowerShell. So for that, I will be simply typing in Claude and then hitting the enter key. Now this operation will launch the Claude Code CLI. Now, if you will notice, there are no provisions to upload any photo. Now, the basic method that we use is that we upload the particular photo in any folder or we store it in our local and then guide the Claude to refer that particular photograph. But apart from that, what you can also do is simply screenshot the photo and then paste it onto your CLI as I will be showing you. So to do that, let me quickly open any sample photo. So as here you can see, this is an photograph of an elephant. Now, if I want to share this to Claude, what I can do is I will simply open the snipping tool and then I will simply screenshot this photo. So let me quickly screenshot this. And now once the screenshot has been completed, I will go to my command line and from here I will press the shortcut Alt V. So instead of Control V, I will be pressing Alt V, and here you can see that the image has been successfully loaded into this particular prompt. Now let me ask something. So I'll say, and now I will hit the enter button. And now let's see if Claude can actually see what is inside this image. So as here you can see, it says it's a photo of an elephant leaping midair across a grassy plain with a blue sky in the background as shown right here. So that's how easily you can process images using Claude Code CLI without going through the hassle of storing the image in your local and then redirecting Claude to access that image. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.